Here is Milano's e-commerce creator in under a minute. Start by uploading a clear product photo or a few references: front, back, details, accessories, or the item worn on a model. Next, choose a model from the library or describe the model directly in the prompt. For this dress, we will ask for a clean e-commerce shot, an elegant model on a neutral studio background, soft shadows, accurate fabric, and a product-first pose. Choose the image format based on your storefront. Portrait works well for product pages, while square is useful for grids and thumbnails. For websites, choose WebP. It keeps the image sharp at 2K while making the file much smaller, so your pages load faster without destroying quality. Now hit Generate. Milano creates a clean product image you can use on your website, catalog, and store pages. Open the result full size, check the product details, and download when it is ready.